What's up, you guys? Welcome back to another episode of Sweeterman. Yo, today it's such an amazing day, yo. We found a fucking buyer, yo. Let's go. We found a damn buyer. So what's gonna happen today is I'm gonna be taking a McLaren 650S to my detailer to get everything detailed on it, get it ready for delivery. So hopefully, finger crossed, I'm gonna be delivering the car tomorrow, and we're gonna be saying goodbye to this car. And then think of a replacement, which we're gonna be talking about mentally. But yo, I'm so freaking excited. I'm pretty sure you're excited too, for me to get rid of this car and to find something else that we're gonna replace it with. So definitely, any suggestion, leave it down in the comment down below, yo. So obviously we know car prices are off the roof right now, so we have to be very considerate if we're going to be going with a supercar or we're going to be going with a regular car. And then until the car market comes down, they're going to sell it and then purchase a supercar. So that's one in the mix. So let me know all your thoughts down in the comment below, yo. So yeah, I'm so excited. Let's get a cold start of this car. It's gonna probably be the last cold start. So yeah, let's get on with the video. Yeah, make sure you guys like, subscribe, smash that like button one more time. Alright, YOLO. Alright, once again, if you're new to my channel, this is my McLaren 650S Spider. I'm gonna try to get this Spider working out. Yeah, just give me a sec. One thing I hate about this car is detecting the keys. It's so bad at it. There we go. So put it on active here. PC SIM mode change. So we're gonna drop the roof down. It's a beautiful day today, yo. I ain't gonna hold you. It's a beautiful day. So let's get on it late. But yeah, if you're new, this is my McLaren 650S Spider. I'm gonna drop it down, then get the car started. So again, this is gonna be the last cold start in my garage. So I hope you enjoy it. Yeah. So y'all probably seen me doing this a million times, but it's probably safe to say this, it's gonna be the official actual drive in my McLaren 650S. I ain't gonna go crazy about it because I want the car to be perfectly safe and good to go for delivery. So I'm taking this car, like I mentioned before, to my detailer to get everything done up with this car and get ready for delivery. And go going from there, you feel me? So we'll have a lot of ups and downs. Obviously on the channel, you guys saying it, you guys call it out. So I don't want this day to be like, negative. It's a freaking good day that we actually finally be getting rid of the car and get something different on the channel, you feel me? So like, we're gonna get something that it's gonna be more fun with, that we can do more stuff with it and go from there. But like I mentioned before, the prices of cars are off the roof. They're coming down a little bit, you feel me? But we gotta be smart about it. I ain't rich or anything. I'm only 26. I literally, I guess, just started life, pretty much, you can say. So I ain't rich, I'm a normal guy just like you guys. So let's get on with it and enjoy the ride. Yeah? YOLO. finally out of traffic, yo. Holy. So I had to take the 407. So that's 407 in case you don't know what 407 is. That's the toll. So you pay to get on the 407. Yeah, so I did that just to kind of save myself some. Because it's so uncomfortable driving this car in like bumper to bumper traffic. It's really, really difficult. Like, especially if you've been in traffic for over 30 minutes, the car doesn't really like it. That's the problem with this car. I don't know if it's like this on every other supercar or it's just a McLaren thing. If you do know, let me know down in the comment below. But the traffic, during traffic, bumper to bumper, this car does not like it. So we did manage to get out of the traffic, took the 407, and now we're back on the service road, which is gonna be closing from here on. I'm about 10 minutes away from my detailer to get this fixed. So the buyer is aware of the problems currently with the car. So meaning the check engine light that I have on, which I already mentioned to him why the check engine light was there, was because of a sensor that's within it. I mentioned that to him, and also the fuel cap, and pretty much that's the main problem with it. So it's like it shouldn't cost that much to get it fixed. And yeah, so he's gonna buy it as it is. So I'll drop this off on my detailer. She's gonna do her thing, make sure any little scuff and there, get rid of it. I have to send a picture of the fuel cap to him, to the buyer, and then tomorrow, fingers crossed, the transaction goes as planned, and I'll be giving you guys more details like how much and other stuff. Did I lose? Did I take a W on this deal? I'll be giving you guys all the details about it. But I'm just happy that we did find the buyers, so which we did find 2 buyers, and we found a 3rd potential buyer. So that's what's going on. So yeah, so now after this, we're gonna be trying to see what we're gonna do next. We do have a rally coming up in September, so September 15 to 17, we're going to, so from Toronto to Ottawa, from Ottawa to Montreal. So it's a supercar rally. So I'm definitely gonna need a car by then. And once I get rid of this car, I'm definitely gonna need a car to take to the rally. We're supposed to go to this rally since last year. However, we had COVID, so we couldn't go. So now it's back on, and the only date that's available is September. I hope it's not gonna be that cold, so we can have a good time. Go to that rally, and I hope there's no. Because Montreal is super weird in terms of their restriction. The own country type of thing, you know. If you know Quebec is your own country. So I just hope it's not gonna be weird and everything goes smoothly. But for sure I'm gonna be taking you guys along with me and pretty much share my experience. So this is gonna be my actual first rally that I'm gonna be going to, and especially if it's a supercar rally. So yeah, we're gonna be doing that. So y'all pretty much stay tuned for that. Make sure you guys subscribe to stay tuned for that. I appreciate it. But yeah, I'm gonna talk to you guys in a bit. Right? Yeah, so we're back home still. Now the car is getting clean, getting completely detailed by my detailer again. Like I mentioned to you guys, all the scuff, all the scratches, and I can't wait. So tomorrow is the delivery day. I can't wait for that, and do all the transfer, take care of all the necessary paperwork, you may say. So yeah, I'm super excited. I'm pretty sure you guys are super excited, all the OG subscribers. Yeah, yo, I know you're definitely excited for me to get rid of the car and then get something more, I guess, more exciting, where we can do more fun stuff. And then yeah, so if you do have any idea, leave it down in the comment below. Some people already told me like R8, some people told me BMW M3 M4, C63, and I also heard AMG GTR, but not the Nissan AMG though, not the Nissan GTR, sorry. So Porsche GT3. So those are all in the radar depending on, as long as the price is good, that's something that we're looking forward to get. So if you guys have any other suggestion, leave it down in the comment below. Also, Cayman GT4, I would love the RS, but you can really get the RS right now. It's the only people that will probably get the Cayman GT4 RS, it's if they have allocation. Me, I don't think I'm gonna have any allocation, and even if I did, it would be super expensive. So yeah, that being said, make sure you guys smash that subscribe button one time, you feel me? Smash that for your boys. Still, we're finna get rid of the car and move on to something else. Alright, I'm gonna catch you guys in the next episode. Yalla.